Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by number 3. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we have mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we have this one in here. So this is about integrating factor. So we have 1 over 3s ds. The integration of 1 over s ds. We have 1 over 3 L and S. Later that 1 over 3 go inside about natural law in here. So if we simplify, and we got about s to the power of 1 over 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. If we simplify this one in here, we have 1 over 3 minus 1. And this one we have negative number 2 over 3. This one we simplify. That's about 1 plus 1 over 3. And you got about 4 over 3. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply it about the product rule of derivative. That means we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So, this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one in here with number 3. That is about first derivative of s to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by a. If we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have y multiplied by s to the power of 1 over 3. The integration of this one, we have 4 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. This one we have 7 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end.